All right, guys, Andy with Tech Influence here. I love doing this daily carry in January, and so this is like the 4th or 5th time I've done it. This is what's in my backpack, seriously, in 2024. So firstly, we've obviously got MacBook Pro. This is that matte black version, M3 2023 version. Right now it's exporting, so I'm gonna push it to the side. I do have a full grain leather wrap here from the folks at Andar to be able to protect it. And then here is my everyday carry. I carry this with me everywhere I go, from studio to day job and whatnot. I drink from a Stanley cup. It's a limited edition for the Jazz, who are my favorite basketball team. And then we've got this Mous faux leather everyday carry backpack that I literally bring everything in. And so the MacBook Pro fits in this massive laptop sleeve here, which I highly recommend. In addition, I've also got a bunch of other stuff, including my Kindle Scribe with a leather screen protector. I love this thing. This is where I do my notes, a lot of brainstorming, reading, etc. I didn't want to show on screen, but I do also fit my work backpack for my day job. I do fit my work computer and my day job. As you can notice here, this is a oneer, so I'm not going to do any cuts. I'm just gonna upload it as is. On the side here, we've got my iPhone. This is everyday carry on the Nomad. This is their rugged case. Really like this one. I've got the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max, and that's what I use. Let's go ahead and go now into the majority, or the big pocket here. This backpack is like a 25 liter, so it fits tons and tons and tons. So open it all the way up. It is not a camera bag nonetheless, but it opens up like one. There's just tons of junk in here. So I've moved away from iPad. I reviewed all of the iPad Pros, did not like any of them. This is the Pixel tablet that I bought maybe 3 years ago. I use this. I've got a pencil on here that's in my backpack somewhere, but this is my daily carry here for reading, watching, streaming, playing back, all that good stuff. Inside these little pouches, I've got this key ring from Nomad. This is what I use to charge USB Type-C. It's like 100 watts. I've also got a couple adapters here. This is my primary storage. It's the T7. I've also got this 90-degree adapter so I can connect it to my iPhone and shoot ProRes log. And then obviously got a bunch of batteries here for my camera that I carry. Let's see what else I've got. I've got, for my phone, I've got this ULANZI 18mm lens. It's really awesome. I reviewed a bunch of these this last year, and this is what I ended up carrying with me every day. Next, as far as camera goes, this is my A-roll when I'm out and about. This is the Sony ZV-E10 II with a 35mm prime lens on there. Favorite, go-to for it. I've got a small rig on there to be able to run and gun, put it on a bunch of different tripods, you name it. I love this guy. Best vlogging camera out there. Next, I've got, as far as cameras, I've got this ULANZI bag that holds my Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI. I have the creator pack in here. I reviewed a bunch of lenses, including their anamorphic lens, filters, attachments. I've got this body from Small Rig as well that allows you to mount it. I've got the DJI mic. I've got the creator kit. All of this stuff I highly recommend. This is, if you're a young budding creator, this is probably the best vlogging camera for starters. And then if you're wanting to go semi-professional, the ZV-E10 II is fantastic. Let's go ahead and show you the other camera I use. Nestled in here, like I said, it disappeared, so I guess I'm not showing it. I had it in here literally earlier this morning, but now it's gone. Let's go ahead and show you my audio. I don't go anywhere without this. This is my Rode Wireless Mic Pro. Love this guy. Been using it for a couple of years now. This is for my iPhone. If I want to run and gun and shoot content, I've got the SnapGrip Pro that gives me battery charging. And then I also use their SnapGrip stand, which this goes up to 6 feet, which is crazy. And it has a, whatever that thing's called. It's got a remote, Bluetooth remote. What else do I do? I've got a Switch USB charger for my Switch. I've got a 240 watt cable braided. I've got USB to Lightning, 100 watt cables. I've got just charging cables galore, another 100 watt cable. My plug is gone. I don't know where it ended up. We've got a bunch of Apple Watch bands here that I've been reviewing. We've got my favorite plug here. This is a 130 watt 3-plug USB Type-C plug. Outputs plenty to charge all of your products, all of your devices. I've got a ESR leather Magsafe Wallet that can connect to your phone. It doesn't charge, but it acts as like a little kickstand, which is nice. And then it's also got Find My in it. So it's got the Find My built into it. It's got the Find My built into it right there. I've also got my mouse. This is the MX Master 3S for Mac. Great Bluetooth mouse from Logitech. I've got another charging bank, another bunch of cables. Oh man, there's so much junk in here. On my keys, obviously I've got my keys and carabiner for the studio and my house, but I've also got an air tag. This I believe is from Bullstrap. And then I've got this little clip that's a 4-in-1. I think it's 3-in-1 actually. 1, 2, yeah, 3-in-1. Little clip, outputs 100 watts. Love to have that as my keys. Listening or audio is AirPods Pro. This is the Lightning with a Andar leather case. I have a book in here as well. I'm running a D&D campaign. This is my D&D module that I make sure and keep track of. It fits in there. I've got another tripod. This goes up to 6 feet from ULANZI. This is for my 360 camera, which I unfortunately didn't have on there. I have a 360 camera. It's the X4. I'm working on a project with some 3D printing, so I've got some 3D printing stuff. This is what I carry in my pocket. I've also got a little utility tool as well. What else do we have here? My goodness, I've got the 2-in-1 for travel. Extra batteries for my 360 camera that I've been reviewing as well. And I don't know where the 360 camera went. It was in here this morning. That's a little embarrassing, but I like to do these oneers. And then here is the little tablet pencil that I use for my Google Pixel tablet. Anything else hiding in here? Oh, and obviously an air tag in the backpack as well. There's a bunch of trash that I need to get rid of. I also have this little ULANZI grip for my 360 cam. Just a lot of junk there. With that said, I'll have links to all these. Most of the stuff that I have here from like ULANZI, from Nomad, a lot of the cases, some of the charging cables, they were actually provided to me by the company. So this is a sponsored video. I'll have links to all the products down below in the description. It does help out the channel. This is everything that's in my backpack that I carry with me every day, literally. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.